Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So, I thought I would try and do a double bloom on this. I will be using solid solution alcohol inks, the peach red and the boysenberry. And this is going to be a collaboration for the Friendship Express strain. Thank you to all the organizers. Okay, so I'm using Platinum 360 Plus and Custom Craft. Let's see how that looks. And I think that that's enough. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to add the resin in the bottom. So I might move this one here and bring this other one here and see if I have enough for both. Okie dokie, so that's that one. And for that, I am going to do this one here in the blues. If I can open it.
Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling in the air, liquid art, swirling dreams of pain, pouring, setting free, a world of color just for me.
With some of this one. We will add the glitter and the glitter in here. And we don't want you in here. No, 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 no. And I'm going to go and do little twirls around this. And around this. And we're going to go and do our little circles. Squiggles. Squiggles. I am going to do a little twirl in the middle, in the same here. And that's it, guys. So once that's set, I will do another row of bloom. Okay, so bye for now. Okay, I'm back again. So my resin has come to temperature. I'm gonna do my white. Let's see if that's enough. I think that that's pretty good. I'm using Platinum 360 Plus. I don't know whether I had said it or not. And I'm going to divide it into these little molds. And now, instead of doing it in the middle, I'm going to do it in the edges. That's that. Now I'm going to do the other one. And let's see. And I really want this to be on the edge. We'll continue.
Color swirling in the air, liquid art, swirling dreams of pain, pouring, setting free, a world of color just for me to create beauty.
Going to do the same as in the back of it, the little squiggles.
Layer by layer, a masterpiece to share.
To wait and see what happens with it. Okay? Bye for now. Okay, so it's set enough for me to do the backing on it. I'm going to do it in black. Right, and this is Montmartre acrylic inks. Which I think it's enough. So like I said, I don't know whether I have enough resin here for this. But hopefully I have enough for both. Otherwise I'll have to do one more. And Okay, this is not it. One quick to get the bubbles off. And that is that. Bye for now. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, look at that. That is very pretty. And yes, I think I can see the bottom layer. It looks very 3D. Very pretty. I'm quite happy with that. Oh, look at that. Really like this one as well. So they came out very pretty. I'm quite happy with both of them. And yes, I can see the bottom layer on them. I thought maybe I wouldn't be able to see much of it, but I can see it. Now, let me know which one you like better. I think I love this one more than that one. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to watch all the other talented artists in this collaboration. I will have a link in the description for all of them. Remember, stay magical. We all have magic in us. Bye for now.